I absolutely love these, you guys. I love how these look and I can't wait to try them on. I'm a press on girly, and if you are too, I know you guys would love this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something really special. I received 4 new sets of press on nails from Jofay fashion, and I'm excited to let you guys know that I will be giving away one of these sets to you all. I'll show you which set you will receive as long as you stay tuned. Jofay fashion reached out to me and offered me an amazing opportunity to review their nails, and I can't wait to show you all what I think of them and how they look. So first pair is this blue and black pair. It's a beautiful blue and black pair with swirls on the tips. So this is the one I think I'm going to do today. This is a great one for the summer. It has the white and orange swirls, so that's really pretty. It reminds me of the Marvel ones I love to get. And then we have another swirly one with black and white swirls at the top, and these are a bit longer than the rest. So these are really pretty. And we have this set. This will be the giveaway set. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, and also leave a comment down below with your Instagram to win this giveaway. Thank you again, Jofay Fashion, for offering me this opportunity. This is my first official collaboration, so I really appreciate the opportunity to work with you all to review your press-on nails. I can't wait to try them on, so let's go. The kit contains 24 nails, nail glue, 3 non-woven pads, and a mini file, and a cuticle stick as well. I am using the adhesive tabs this time around, so I'll let you guys watch me apply my nails. Of course, we start off by pushing our cuticles back. And then filing our nails down. And I'm going to use the alcohol prep wipe to wipe our nails down, and then we'll start to apply each nail. I always make sure I size my nail to each nail to make sure it's the perfect fit beforehand, just so that I have my nails in order and I can save more time that way. There are 20 tabs on each adhesive tab strip, so you get 20 in total. After you tear it apart, there's 10 on each side. I absolutely love these, you guys. I love the design on them. I hope you guys love these as well. So excited to see how long they last. So if you guys would like an update, please let me know. I'll leave the link in the description box below for all of these beautiful nails so that you can copy a pair. They're so affordable and right on Amazon. If you have Amazon Prime, these will ship to you fairly quickly. So definitely click the link in my description box, and also make sure you enter the giveaway. Stay tuned for the rest of the nails. I'm gonna do a video for each pair that I received. I wanted to make sure that I dedicated a video to each one separately. I'm definitely excited to try each and every one of them. And remember, it's giveaway time, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend that loves press-on nails and would like to participate in the giveaway. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.